Akiaria hindi ya mihang'o ya uhandi wa miti hungururu-ini cia iria ria Naivasha, Seneta wa Naikuru Tabitha Karanja niatugiririe ritana ria president ria uhandi wa miti akiuga undu uyu ni uguteithiriria hari kuhurana na ucenjia wa riera. Oho, Karanja ni ugite ona thengia wa thirikari kuhingura ugethi miti mititu-ini ya thirikari, ugethi uyu wagirirwo ni kurongoreria miti iria mikuru muno no tio iria micua.
I will only say it can be cut when it's mature, because I think in the developed world they plant trees for business. It's for business for them. So the county is to hear this call and plant trees and make it part of their lives. That every time somebody knows near his compound or the schools and all that, they can plant trees.
Mwena-ini wake, Minista wa Migunda John Kihagi ni ugite ngucanio nyingi cia migunda no ithararitie mihang'o ya kugitira iria riri kuona onario ni rihutitio na njira nene.
Land wrangles that are making environmental conservation become difficult. We have people who on disputed land is not very easy to nurture trees. On grabbed land is not easy to nurture trees.
Mwena-ini wake, Kamishna wa sub-county ya Naivasha Mutua Kisilu ni ugite itanya riao ni kuhanda miti 50,000 mwena wa Naivasha kuria location ifatie kuhanda miti 2,000.
Kila location inapanda miti 2,000. So katika locations 12 hiyo ni 24,000. Tuna site kubwa pale kwa Kenya prison, so the 3 prisons are doing 20,000.
Akiaria ihinda-ini o riu maikas kuma Lakeview na Viwandani ni marutĩire arĩithia a mahiũ mũkana metheme kũrĩithia mahiũ mao kuria miti ĩno ĩrahandwo.
Ensure that there are perimeter walls. For instance, behind us here, even if not a wall, there is a ditch that has been dug all across to ensure that animals are curbed not to get into this facility, which will see that this tree grow.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Nyambura wa Kĩruba.